Okay, everyone. Please introduce my name is Yofi. I'm from Jakarta, Indonesia. I'm a web designer that lives in near Jakarta, actually, Tangerang. And I run a web design business since 2009, and I'm a proud user of Joomla CMS instead of WordPress, which I actually already tried WordPress before, but it feels like WordPress has a lot of third-party plugins that unnecessary, which Joomla already have it as a basic stuff. So prefer Joomla actually after I tried WordPress. I really tried to switch to use WordPress because I know WordPress is dominating the market share of the CMS. Like people say like 80 or 90% of the websites actually use the WordPress as the CMS, but I think Joomla is much better, have a better experience when I use Joomla. It's much simpler and lighter, and it really, or maybe it's just a subjective opinion because I already get used to the environment itself. So yeah, so maybe many people doesn't know that Joomla also have a page builder, third-party developers that develop a page builder to make the building or create a layout for Joomla websites is so much easier. So you don't need to really do the hard coding, CSS, HTML, PHP, and you can actually do like a drag and drop and simple settings to create a website, just like what Elementor did with the on WordPress. So this is a page builder by a developer called Joomla. They have a product called SP Page Builder. I'm not sure what the SP stands for. Yeah, SP Page Builder. I already use it like 3 years maybe already, and it's pretty good actually. And right now it's already on the 5th version, so I use it. And Joomla itself also already on the Joomla 5 right now, Joomla 5 version, and it supports the Joomla 5. They are pretty good at quickly supporting the latest update of Joomla itself. So two things that you need to understand, that when you want to use this SP Page Builder, SPPB, you need to maybe install two things that you need to make sure you understand in your mind. That you need to install the SP Page Builder, the Page Builder component, to make the layouting much easier. And also you need to install a theme or a template. We call it template on Joomla CMS. And they have a free template that you can use called Helix. It's like makes your development or layouting of the Joomla website is much more easier. It's like Hello theme on the WordPress. Yeah, something like that. And you can just download the template and plugin. I really don't necessarily need to install the quick start, but maybe if you like to learn the possibilities that this template can do, you can try to install the quick start. So this is the layout that the website can do actually. What kind of layout? Sometimes they have a even you can do a drag and drop, but sometimes you still need to maybe customize with some simple settings on padding or margin or border, and sometimes also do custom CSS. They have the possibilities to add some custom CSS on certain areas of the website. So this is the kind of layout that you can do with the SPPB and the Helix Ultimate template from Joomla. And the page builder itself, they have the free version, which is the light version, and also the pro version. So I usually use the pro version. I have the agency agency user membership on their website. So, but if you feel you want to try to use the light version, I think the light version itself also already good enough. I actually like almost never use the light version, but for this demo or a video, I will try to use the light version for you to see. So this is the first thing you can see when you install the basic template of Helix Ultimate, and I already installed the page builder light version also here. So you have pages, you will see a new different kind of user interface of admin area when you click on the SPPB component. Okay, you can also install a Google Fonts API key here. So I think there will be some limitations and some add-ons that you cannot use on the free version, like this kind of things. Animated heading. I hope the heading, even the heading is need to be pro. But yeah, usually what I use is like the text block, image, Joomla module, empty space, yeah, good enough. Button, no button group, okay. Feature box, text block, testimonial, tabs, video, yeah. Thank God they give the video add-on on the free version, and carousel. I think that's enough. Okay, so what we can do, so there are some unnecessary information here, like the contact information, phone, and social media links that I think usually it's really unnecessary. So how to disregard that or remove that? That's part of the template. So you go to the site template settings and go to the Shaper Helix. I already rename it. Go to template options. If you are new here, you must be very confused with this kind of things, but this is where the place when you already get used to it. So just change to this one. See, much cleaner and maybe more fits and easily fits to our needs. And maybe not the sign in feature. Let's remove that. Okay, and enable search, maybe you remove that if you want to. Sticky header, when you scroll down and the header will stick. And the menu, I want the menu to be only show the mega menu on the desktop version. So remove the off canvas. Off canvas is like the this kind of menu, okay, pop-up menu. Usually it's already default on the mobile version, so just use the mega menu on the top. And let's check it's much cleaner now. And like go to the administrator, and then I want to upload the logo file. I recommend for you to create a new folder called assets, create and upload here. So I'm very organized person. You can just go delete everything else. We will not be using these files, so just go delete. This is from the Joomla installation. Anyway, this is Joomla 5, and we already have the logo there. And let's see, back to the template settings. We can upload a logo. Even if you want, you can use text, but I usually prefer a logo file, image file. See, the logo already changed, and go save and see the changes. So SPPB, okay. And what you can do next, this is also the preview on the mobile version. And if you want to the logo to be maybe the header to be have more height, you can change it here, like maybe 80. See, the header becomes much bigger, and you can use different size on each desktop, tablet, or mobile. So for example, like mobile, I want it to be or maybe just the logo, make it smaller, like 25 maybe. See, the logo on mobile is much more smaller now, and 25, maybe 60. Okay, supposed to be like this. And the other thing is the preset. So this is the color. You can do a customization on the colors, and everything like right here is free, and it's very powerful. I think that already fit to what we need most of the time. You don't need a pro version to create a simple website. With this, I think it's much more than enough. Okay. Even the typography you can choose, and yeah, this is the custom code. You can insert here the head area and custom CSS and font settings. You can use Google Font API, insert your Google Font API. If you're confused, you can click on this link. It will give you direction and to see what is your Google Font API. You need a Gmail account for this kind of things. They have a lot of features actually, but analytics. But basically, those are the things that I usually just use. Okay, footer. Okay, if you want to change the wordings, like your design, copyright. See the changes. SPPB light. You can do the customization you need here. Okay, social icons. Get rid of that. Contact. I usually don't need that. Usually. Okay, that's the things on the. You can also change the favicon from the template settings, but let's just leave it as Joomla. And the things left here, I think only to remove this home writing. So go to the main menu, and home, and page display here. Show page heading. Goodbye. Okay, no more. Okay, and let's add SPPB light or your company name here. So it changed to the SPPB light. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, or you can actually give your site name here and before, okay, for SEO. Okay, something like that, and back to the main menu. Remove it here. See, SPPB light, and yeah, what if I want to go to make it SEO friendly? So go to there, and then go to here, server, sorry, system, no, site, yes, you're writing, and also let's go to the global config and HTTPS insert site. Okay, now it supports the HTTPS. Okay, it's very much ready for you to start to do the layout. And let's go to the SP page builder, create something called add new page, home. We can just save the page here, And then we can go to back to the Joomla admin, and then go to the menu and change this from featured articles with SP page builder and home. Okay, this way you can start to do layouts as you like. You can do a backend editor. Back then they use SPVB version 4. They don't have backend editor, but so many customers complaining about it. So on SPVB 5, you have the either you want to use the backend admin edit, or you can use the front end edit. Sometimes I prefer the back end, sometimes I prefer the front end. So it's nice to have both compared to Elementor, which you only have, I think, front end edit. Yeah, this is the very plus side from the SPVB 5, SPVB and Joomla compared to Elementor and WordPress. Let's do something like what kind of layout you want to do. So this is the add-ons that you have. I wish they just highlight the free add-ons on the top. And actually, let's do something like, or if you want to make it simple, you can do something like this, like, or if you want to change, sorry, I want to change to 2 columns, but you can also, we cannot do. You can add drag on the free version, I think. Yeah, on the pro version you can actually drag, but it doesn't matter, I think. It's still okay with this kind of what we have right now. And what's nice is you have this